Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Now in this video, we are just going to be breaking down the 5-8-13 EMA strategy. All right, the most accurate and tested scalping strategy, scalping setup that you can add to your toolkit today. But why is the 5-8-13 EMA effective? Let's just add the 5, 8, and 13 EMAs to the chart. All right. Let's just modify this. Change this to EMA. Change this to EMA. Change this to EMA. And put this off. This is going to be 5. It's going to be 8. This is going to be 13. All right. And let's just make this coloring more unique. Okay, now this strategy is built on 3 exponential moving averages: the 5 EMA, 8 EMA, and 13 EMA. These EMAs respond quickly to price action and help spot momentum shifts as they happen. It is perfect for traders who want to scalp quick moves without relying on complicated indicators. Okay, now for the setup instructions, you need to apply these 3 EMAs to your trading view chart. The 5 EMA, okay, you can actually decide what colors you want to use for the 3 indicators, but just ensure that there are different colors for for easy identification. So you have the 5 EMA, you have the 8 EMA, and the 13 EMA. Okay, the 5 EMA is the fastest line and the 13 EMA is the slowest line. So stick to lower time frames. You can use the 1-minute chart, maybe 3-minute chart, or 5-minute chart. That's where this strategy thrives. All right, for your entry criteria, here's how the entry works. First of all, let's talk about trend confirmation. All 3 EMAs must be stacked in one direction. Okay, for buys, the 5 EMA must be above the 8 EMA and the 8 EMA must be above the 13 EMA. Okay, then for sell trades, the 5 EMA must be below the 8 EMA and the 8 EMA must be below the 13 EMA. All right, now let's talk about crossover trigger. You have to wait for a small pullback where the 5 EMA dips toward the 8 EMA, then bounces away. All right, you can see something like that around here. Okay, there has to be a maintenance of the order. That bounce back candle is your signal bar. All right, now for your entry point, you enter on the close of the signal bar. Okay, the bar that respects the EMA stack. Price should not break below the 13 EMA in a bullish setup or above it in a bearish setup. All right, then now ensure that you always make use of stop losses. It is very important, very, very important. All right, so you can place your stop loss just beyond the 13 EMA or the low or high of the pullback structure. So if you're entering a buy trade, you can use below the EMAs, below the 13 EMA, which is the longest. Set your stop loss below that. Take profits can actually be around key resistance zones, or you can wait for a bearish crossover of the EMAs before you exit your buy trade. Then for a sell, the reverse is the case. Once you get your confirmation, stop loss can be above the moving averages. Take profits can actually be around the support zones, key support zones, and you can also decide to exit your sell when a bullish crossover of the EMAs take place. All right, make sure that you take your trades during active market sessions, like the London or the New York session. Those are best, for momentum, right? For best momentum. Also avoid choppy price action or sideways movement. If you notice that price is just going sideways, or maybe you notice a choppy movement, just stay away from the trade. All right, to be on the safer side, just stay away from the trade. You want to trade only during trending markets. You want to trade only during periods of you know precise direction. All right, not when the market is indecisive. Okay. Also pair this setup with support and resistance zones or previous sessions highs and lows. You can use volume or momentum indicators, you know for confirmation. All right, you can actually decide to use volume indicator to watch out for volume spikes. Volume also helps to know whether a trend is strong, right? Or maybe a reversal is strong, a price move is strong, and all of that. So make sure that you pay attention to your volumes indicator. And you can also use momentum indicators, maybe like RSI or MACD, for extra confirmation. All right. Meanwhile, stay disciplined. Only trade clean stacks with momentum candles and avoid entering during news events. Okay? It's very important. It's very important. Now, the strength of the 5-8-13 EMA strategy is in its speed and clarity. All right? It gives early signals while filtering out noise by relying on structured EMA alignment. So basically, when the market is trending, be it a downtrend or an uptrend, when the market is trending, this strategy keeps you in flow with clean entries, short stops, and fast decision making. All right. So whether you are scalping gold, major forex pairs, or indices, this method adapts well across different markets with just one clean setup. Okay. Now, the 5-8-13 EMA strategy is a tested and powerful approach to fast-paced trading. Okay, it's clean, it's efficient, and it helps remove second guessing from your decision making. All right. Meanwhile, ensure that you always pay attention to your risk management. Do not trade with an amount that you cannot afford to lose. Do not risk more than 1 to 2% of your account balance in a single trade, and also pay attention to good risk to reward ratios. You should be targeting at least 1:2, 1:2 risk to reward ratio. All right. So if you're ready to sharpen your scalping game with one of the most accurate and tested strategies, this is the one you can consider trying out on your demo account first before going live. All right. Hit that like button and subscribe for more high probability trading strategies, indicators, and smart setups. Until next time, stay disciplined, trade smart, and trust your edge.